Hey guys, welcome to yet another video on iDroid review. In this video we'll do a quick unboxing of HyperX Quadcast microphone and see what comes in the box. In order to better understand the audio capabilities, we have recorded the complete voiceover on the HyperX Quadcast microphone. HyperX is a known brand among gamers. They have a very popular lineup of gaming headphones, keyboards, mouse and other computer peripherals. The HyperX Quadcast microphone is the company's entry into the quickly growing gaming microphone market. The HyperX Quadcast is a condenser microphone and it sells for Rs 10,400 on Amazon India and $120 on Amazon US. Let's start the unboxing and see how HyperX Quadcast looks and the accessories it comes with. At first, we get a quick reference guide, keeping it aside for the moment. Next, we have the HyperX Quadcast microphone, one USB to USB mini braided 3 meter long cable, and one mount adapter to attach this mic to the table stand or mic boom arm. The 3 meter cable is enough to properly place this mic on any table setup or mic stand. Coming to the most important item in the box, the HyperX Quadcast mic. It has this red and black theme going on. There is a LED behind the honeycomb design metal grill on this mic which lights up in red when the mic is in use and turns off when the mic is muted. The red LED is placed behind a pop filter to reduce plosives while recording. Behind the honeycomb design metal grill, HyperX Quadcast houses three 14mm condensers with a frequency response of 20Hz to 20 kHz and 48 kHz sample rate. The HyperX Quadcast comes attached with a table stand and an anti-vibration shock mount, which is a welcome gesture. It shows that HyperX understands its users and is willing to go the extra mile to fulfill their needs. HyperX is built in a metallic housing, and on top there is a capacitive touch mute button, and on the bottom there is a mic gain dial. On the back of the HyperX Quadcast, we get one USB mini slot along with the headphone jack for zero latency monitoring. Unfortunately, there is no volume control for zero latency headphone output as we have on the Blue Yeti. On the back, we get a knob to switch between four polar pickup patterns available on this microphone. The first one is stereo to record vocals or instruments in stereo, left and right sound. The second is omnidirectional to record meetings or podcasts where the audio source is available on all four sides. The third is cardioid. It is the most used polar pattern for gamers and streamers. In this mode, mic only records from the front and it is used for vocal recording, streaming and voiceovers. The fourth and the last is bidirectional. In this mode, the mic records sounds from the front and the back sides. This mode is used to record a face-to-face interview of two persons where the mic sits in between. If you liked and gained anything from this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button on this video. Your one simple gesture of pressing a like will go a long way to boost our confidence.